Shandong Great Intelligent Manufacturing Company Limited is a food trucks supplier. Whether you are looking for food truck, mobile food trucks, restroom trailers, or barber trailers and food kiosk, etc., steel structure business, we all could help you. Our rich, skilled production experience and details-oriented design department, we will make your truck stand out from the crowd. Trusted experts. After a couple hundred trucks production, it is safe to say we are in good hands for quality and designs. Your truck is built as if it is our own. Do you want design and build your own mobile food truck with us? Supply complete street mobile kitchen with one-stop service. Help you to choose the most suitable design. Meet your country street rule standards. Supply fryer, freezer, ice cream machine, air conditioner, grill, oven, etc. Design the easy-to-operate and reasonable internal layout to let you confirm. Confirm everything details to meet your ideal visions. We can handle every step of the manufacturing process, from project planning to completing the graphic placement, all under the supervision of your specialized project management team.